Alright, welcome back. We are continuing our mysterious cosmic series here. Actually, I'm not sure how much of a series it is, but it is pretty mysterious and cosmic. So we're just kind of carrying this idea around with me most of the day, and I'm finally getting some time to sit down and doodle. And we'll see where, or what happens here. So I got this. I wanted to do a space wreck floating above a landscape, like a small planetoid or worldlet like this. And see, I'm trying to go for some ground that I can't quite settle on here, and I need some guidance, so I do some guidelines there to get my perspective straight. And I like the stone archway situation with the what happened here kind of concept or mindset, and how did we get some ruins on a airless planet with a strange space wreck floating in orbit above that blocks and stuff. I kind of wanted to do, maybe figure out a way to do one of those impossible rectangles, kind of like one of those impossible triangles, but I think there's squares. Anyway, make the perspective impossible, but I don't know. I said kind of screw it. I'm just going to go with what kind of looks decent here, because I was sort of happy with the way it started to turn out. And then zero in on that space wreck a bit. Some stars. Usually I would just use a paintbrush with some white acrylic onto the canvas or paper and spat it on there, but that doesn't work so good on the screen. Sometimes I get a mess on there, but it's like root beer or coffee. And that ship is going to just keep building wreckage floating off of it, and garbage and pipes and wires and whatnot, to make it look almost like a fish skeleton or something like that, fish bones. And I just thought of that now as I'm narrating this. I should have done something a little more fish bone like and carried that forward. Maybe I will in the future. Anyway, more ideas. So here is going to be our mysterious eyeball from another dimension coming through our portal, just roughing it out, and we're going to squash that in there, see how it works. I guess that might be all right. Kind of like it. I don't know if I love it. I can always get rid of it, and we're putting our signature in. We're going to call it pretty soon here. If you stuck around this long, I greatly appreciate it. Thanks again. We will be doing this again. Bye.